the time is 6:23 and today we are riding to Kalasa, the beautiful town in the Western Ghats. Kalasa is famous for its lush greenery, adventure activities, waterfalls and coffee plantation and whatnot. And today we'll be riding for about 302 kilometers one way. And three of us are going to Kalasa today. One is going to be Srini, who is with his Versys 1000, and Shreyas, who's going to be joining us for the first time, and he has his own Versys 650 and my Versys 650. So three of us are going today to Kalasa. So right now I'm heading towards the meeting point, which is the Nelamangala toll, where I'll catch up with Srini, and Shreyas is going to meet us up in Edur. There's a restaurant called Vaishali which you guys must be aware of. So he's going to be waiting there for us. So if you're new to this channel, it's all about bike rides, traveling and exploring some new places, and of course some reviews. So other than that, good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. And today we'll be exploring Soormane Falls, Kalasa Hanging Bridge, and Bhadra Backwaters, I guess, if I'm not wrong. And the following day, which is on a Sunday, we'll be exploring Kyatan Makki Hill Station and trekking, and then coming back to Bangalore. So that is the plan. So right now I'm heading towards the Nelamangala toll. Alright, reached the Nelamangala toll right now. The time is 6:49 and the meeting point is right around the corner. I'm not sure if Srini has reached already, but yeah, so let's go there and check it out. Let's wait near this tea stall. So here comes Srini. One hour aita barakke. 1 hour aita barakke.
Slow bande.
Huh?
Slow, very slow.
Oh, okay. So let's have some tea. Kudiyana. We still have time. We still have lots of time. Shreyas ke 7:45 barak helidivalla. So let's have some tea and then go. Huh?
I'm okay to go.
Okay, we decided to have tea with Shreyas in Vaishali. So Vaishali is roughly around 45 kilometers from here. So Shreyas would be coming to Vaishali at around 7:45 or so. So we'll probably have tea there itself. So that's the plan. So the time is 7:41 and we reached Vaishali. So we will stop here for a cup of tea and then continue the ride. So this is Vaishali for you. So this is our common breakfast point. You get some nice food, veg and non-veg options over here. So we usually come here for breakfast. Alright, where to park? Illena? All right, the time is 8:48, and this is a lineup for the day. We have 2 versus 650 and 1 versus 1000. Apparently Srini's bike got punctured, so we are filling air right now, and we'll have to find a puncture shop up ahead and fix this problem. So right now we'll start the ride once again and get going on the same road till Hassan. So we're starting the ride again, and we will have to look for a puncture shop right now and then fix Srini's tire problem and then move ahead. So finally we found a puncture shop for Srini's bike, so it is currently getting fixed. There are multiple punches. I'm actually surprised. The tire is new. It's a 180 section tire, but I'm not sure why it got punctured. There are about 3 or 4 punches, so let's see. Okay, so this is the reason for the puncture. This small piece of metal, the air was literally going out of the tire, so gotta be careful about all of these things. So I'll just throw it away somewhere else so it doesn't get stuck to another tire. Okay, so let's get going then. Order now. Alright, we reached Hassan, and this is the road that takes us to Belur, and this is called as a outer ring road, I guess, if I'm not wrong. But yeah, we are not going inside the city. So if it have gone that way, that would have taken us inside the city, the bus stand, the railway station and whatnot. But this one takes us on the outskirts of the city and then connects us to Belur. And from Belur we'll have to take a deviation to Mudigere. So from that stretch we have to take a right here, and this leads to Belur. So this is Belur. So if you take a right, you will go to Chikmagalur, but if you take a left, you go to Belur. But we are taking left. We are not going to Chikmagaluru. Okay, we reached the Kotkehara highway. Now sometimes if you look at it, these state highways are much more scenic than the highway ones. Maybe you will not be able to keep up with the speed, but then again the views are excellent. Look at that. Too good. This entire stretch I've been riding for about some 5 kilometers now. It is like this, full of greenery, trees both the sides. Very nice. So like I was saying, the road conditions are excellent, nothing to regret about. And of course the view and the climate, of course, is also excellent. For a change, it is not that humid, it is not that cold as well. It is moderate, which is good. Alright, we reached the place, which is Kotkehara. So we are done with a short break, and this is a hotel Neeru Dose Corner. So but we didn't eat neer dosai though. We just had a lemon soda and some bhajis, And now if we go straight, we'll just go to Charmadi, but we're not going into Charmadi Ghat, but we'll have to take a deviation to Kalasa. So now the Ghat road starts. Gonna be exciting. Here you go. This is the Ghat road, the beginning of the Ghat roads. This is gonna be fun. So another 46 kilometers to Bengaluru, which is our resort. Okay, we stopped for a drone shot near the coffee plantation and the pepper plantation. It was a lovely view from there. We were able to see mountains, behind the mountains, and the plain lands, greenery and whatnot. It was nice. So this is the Ghat section that I spoke to you about, and this road is in midst of the pepper plantation. What you see around these trees, what you just see, those are pepper, and I think it's silver oak, I guess, not sure. The roads are pretty bad on these stretches, but yeah, let's get going. Another 26 kilometers to our destination, and we will reach Bengaluru. So this is another viewpoint right in front of you. I'm seriously confused what to capture, what to leave, because the viewpoints are too good. There's so much to cover. I'm not able to shoot every viewpoints that are there in this stretch. Just amazing. The roads aren't that great, but yeah, manageable. So finally we reached Kalasa. So this is Kalasa for you. Small beautiful town with lush greenery everywhere. Some places there are tea plantations, some coffee, pepper, every single cultivation. Oh my god, the roads are not that great. It's too good. Look at that. Kalasa 0, Hornadu 7. Oh god. So from here, Bengaluru is another 4 or 5 kilometers, which is our homestay. So this is Kalasa city or town. Bengaluru resort is in 300 meters. So the property that we booked is called as a Bengaluru homestay. It is in midst of this kind of atmosphere or environment. It is lovely though. Look at that. That is Bengaluru. And the falls what you see in that board is Bhadra river. So I'm looking forward to it. Let's see how it looks. There you go. Bengaluru. We enter this resort, or maybe homestay. Oh, a lot of crowd. This is a route to explore Soormane Falls, and we've been advised by our caretaker not to take our bikes in these terrains. So we just took the resort jeep to explore the falls, the Bhadra backwaters, and Kalasa hanging bridge. So this is extreme off-roading, and of course there's a lot of slush and water and everywhere. So yeah, so let's see the Soormane Falls right now. Okay, so what you see here is Soormane Falls. It's so beautiful and surrounded by lush greenery. The falls itself is a true gem of this place. If you see, the water is so clear and people are having fun. So let's take a drone shot of this falls and see how it looks. So I hope you enjoyed the drone view of Soormane Falls. Now we are going to Kalasa Hanging Bridge, which is one of the touring destinations of this place. Time is 6:20 right now, and this is the kind of a view that you get at this time from the resort. So we just went behind that particular mountain and we took some shots, the hanging bridge and the Soormane Falls and whatnot. So that's it for the day, guys. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow, where we'll be exploring Kyathanmakki hill station and then heading back to Bangalore. So I'll see you in the next video then.